Hi everyone, today I wanted to share a vegetarian potato curry recipe. It's very easy to make. Remember to subscribe if you like delicious recipes. Here are my ingredients. The first step is adding cooking oil to the pot and add chopped onion, garlic and ginger. I used 3 onions, 4 cloves of garlic and a little bit of ginger. Stir the vegetables, then add 5 ml salt and 5 ml turmeric. Stir the vegetables well, make sure they aren't overcooked. Add 5 ml chili powder, 3 ml sugar, 3 sliced tomatoes, and stir well to combine everything. You don't really need to add chili powder if you don't like spicy foods. This recipe is also good without adding chili powder. Then add potatoes in the pot and stir everything together. After stirring, add 1 liter water, add 1 cube of vegetable stock and put the lid on and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Add light mushroom sauce. It is important to stir so the curry doesn't burn. Finally, I will add a little bit of garam masala, 1 ml garam masala, and stir well. The curry is now ready to serve. It's very delicious and it also works as a dinner dish in general. I like this vegetarian dish a lot, and the 2 people that taste this dish said it's delicious and they like it too. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more videos. I hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.